So I've got Glenda with me. So Glenda did the Access Bars class last Saturday.
Yes.
So we've just finished our beautiful bars swap now, and so it's 8 days since you did the class. So I was just wondering if you wouldn't mind sharing with people what you thought of the class during the class and how it was receiving the bars for the first time.
During the class, I have to admit I was a bit sceptical, but after the class, I was probably still a bit sceptical, and then I did it for my daughter, and she didn't think much of it, but then had amazing results. I had problems with a gland that I needed to have an ultrasound on, and went to the doctor, which I had had for about 9 years, and then booked in for the ultrasound, and I couldn't go. I had to make up a story because my lump was gone, even though I had it for so long. It would be at least 9 years.
Wow. And it was completely gone?
Yeah, it's gone.
Bars.
Yeah.
Wow. That's great.
Yes, so good. There's been lots of little things that makes me feel happier. And I've done for my other daughter, and I just feel like they've had just a lot of happiness and good results from it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're glad you invested that
Absolutely.
money to do the class?
They're asking me to do it again for them.
Oh, that's so good.
They obviously feel better from it.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
thank you so much.
No, thank you. It was really good. So good.
So that's the power of the bars. No expectations to start with, and a little bit skeptical Glenda was.
I know, I was. And, yeah, I was.
And you couldn't ask for better results, honestly.
No. I thought if I had my mind was in the wrong place, I wouldn't get any results. But I'm really blown away.
That's so
totally
awesome.
Blown away.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for being willing to share. It'll help other people that have been thinking about doing the class. And
I was scared to tell you because I thought, because I was negative at first.
I didn't even know. I did not pick that up. There you go. How intuitive am I? I didn't even know she was skeptical. So that's what bars can do. Results are unique and they are different for everyone. However, this is just an example of a one-day class and 8 days later, and the results are on flowing from that class. I love bars
Thank
for
you.
that reason.
Love
Thank
it too.
you so much.
Thank you.